Microsoft SQL Server exam is designed to certify the competency of IT professionals to design, build, and maintain the next wave of cloud-ready database and information solutions. In order to receive the Microsoft SQL Server certification, you must pass 3 exams: 70461, 70462, and 70463. Microsoft 70461 exam covers creating database objects, working and modifying data, troubleshooting and optimizing queries and transactions. Microsoft 70462 exam covers installing and configuring server and related services, implementing security and high availability, troubleshooting and optimizing data. While Microsoft 70463 exam covers designing and implementing data warehouse, extracting and transforming data, configuring and deploying SSIS solutions. For Microsoft SQL Server certification exam, you'll need to attempt 55 multiple choice, multiple answer, and scenario-based questions in 120 minutes. To pass Microsoft SQL Server certification exam, you'll need to score at least 700 out of 1000. Once you pass Microsoft SQL Server certification exam, you are considered to be qualified to work as business analyst, database developers, database administrators, or business intelligence professionals. The existing Microsoft SQL Server certification are currently valuable in the market and will remain valuable as long as companies are using the technology covered in your certification. As new technologies are released, they will align with the new solution structure. Microsoft SQL Server certification will be withdrawn and will transition to a legacy status. To explore more about the uCertify titles and the features, please visit www.ucertify.com/certifications/Microsoft SQL Server. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.